Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to talk about how to get the 1099 from Shopify. So if you're really looking for the 1099 report, so what you can do, go to your store, you'll log into your Shopify account, to your Shopify store. So just log into your account. Once I've logged into your account here, so what you can do, on your left side panel here, you'll see the analytics report. Simply click on the analytics option. So when you click on the analytics option, under analytics you will see reports. So what we're going to do, we're going to click on the reports. So when you click on reports here, this will show all the reports that you associated with your account. But if you are interested with tax, so simply type in only the tax option. So that will open up your tax finances option here. So all you have to do is simply click on it. And if you are eligible for the 1099, so only if you live in the US and you are eligible, then your 1099 will pop up here, and that's how you can access the 1099 form. Please note that this is only applicable if you are eligible for that form for the report. So that's pretty much it. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.